Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 4, 2023, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2pm result ngayong October 4, 2023, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm result ngayong Wednesday, October 4, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 4, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 65 million pesos for Wednesday, October 4, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of October 4, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.